Got a cab high fiberglass top by Ranch. It's the Sierra model. Fits the 04 to 12 Chevy Colorado and GMC Canyon with a 6-foot bed. It's Summit white, code 50 white. It's got some nicks in it, but most of them been touched up. A couple little nicks right there and there. They've been touched up. It's got a lot on the top, on the corner here, that haven't been touched up, but those are on the top where you can't see them. That's probably why they didn't touch them up. Looks pretty decent along the top edge. Don't see a lot of damage on here at all. Got some nicks right there. Those were touched up. There's a couple on the edge. Here's a spot right there. So this looks pretty good. Got some nicks right there that were touched up at the bottom. Bottom edge looks really nice. I don't really see anything other than those on right there. Got half sliding windows on the side sliders. Like I said, the front edge there, you can see that there's a little bit of nicks on that, or touched up. Some nicks out on the front edge there. A couple there that no one got to, it looks like. On the outside edge, the front has a picture window in it. That looks good. This front edge here has a nick on it that they've touched up. The bottom edge on this one has a lot of nicks, but most of them are touched up. But just kind of see them down along the bottom here. It's really nothing major, just like I said, just little paint chips. You really kind of, there we go. Kind of see them there. Couple, yeah, those are touched up. It's really nothing too much on this one at all. It's got a little scratch right there. The top edge of this one looks good as well. Like I said, mostly just little stone chips on this one. Half side sliders on this side as well. Screens are in pretty decent shape. It's got a couple small holes in the screens. There and there and there. There's one here on this one here. But really, the screens are pretty decent shape on this one here. Doesn't look like a big telltale sign that the windows leak at all. On this side, I don't even see anything wrong with the screens at all on this side. This looks, I mean, looks really nice and clean on the inside. There's a Ranch. Ranch fiberglass is a Sierra model. It does have the double T-handle locking rear door. So there it is, cab high. Fiberglass top. It's the 04 to 12 Chevy Colorado GMC Canyon with a 6-foot bed. It's a Ranch fiberglass Sierra model. It's code 50 Summit white. Thanks for watching.